Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to optimize your Squarespace SEO. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official squarespace.com website right here if you have not already, and after logging into your account that you have, you'll be greeted by this dashboard right here. And this dashboard is going to give you a preview of all the websites you have. What you want to do is go ahead and find the website that you want to optimize your SEO for. So you can either go ahead and open up the website right here, or you can just go ahead and click the three dots right here in the upper right corner and click on settings directly. If you have already opened up your website, what we're going to do is just click the settings icon right here on the left side of the screen, and this is going to open up this new menu where we can get started managing our website. So you can see we can manage our site availability, languages, regional settings, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to optimize and manage our SEO for our website. Basically, guys, we'll find that option right here at the marketing page at the left side of the screen. So you want to go ahead and click on marketing right here. And this is now going to open up this marketing settings where we can go ahead and manage our SEO appearance. So go ahead and click on this option. As you can see, this is now going to open up this new menu where we can get started. So guys, here you can go ahead and manage your site description, the SEO title format. You can manage how your site appears and so on. And you can also hire an expert to help you out, as well as take a look at the SEO checklist. So this is all going to enable you to optimize your website. So you want to go ahead and get started with activating these features right here and typing out your tactics to get started. And you can even go ahead and take a look at some experts to see how it's done. But yeah, guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.